Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and talk about the episode Yaizolo Itando Nestempo. Right, there is something that Umnini said that was so disturbing. Ne? It was so disturbing because you would ask yourself, a child as little or as small or as young as Umnini, where does he get these statements, right? So Umnini said, a woman can be compared to a taxi because for you to ride it, you need to have money. I'm like, huh? Uthini umnini? And while Umangwabe and Umseleku were laughing, Umayenishan became the true woman that she is. Ugirl wawudonsa umhahabulo yangamhlekisi. And I know ukuthi she will definitely discipline Umnini, even though Umnini was saying, I was just only making a joke. It was nothing serious. I'm like, guys, who is whispering in Umnini's ear for this boy to say such things? Awangeke. Like, share, and subscribe.